In this video, I'll be showing you how to use dynamic value display with Framer forms. I'm Monique from Insert Frame. Let's go. So dynamic value display is when you input a field from one page and it shows up on another page. We can do this by storing the field in the previous page and having it shown on the next one. Let's jump back into Framer to see how this is set up. So back in my Framer project, you can see here that I've got a multi-step form set up and I've got the dynamic value display component here. To find that one, open the plugin, go to Form Inputs and scroll down to Dynamic Value Display, and you can just drag that one in. If I select the component and go to the right-hand side and scroll down, you'll see the settings here for the component. So what you need to do is fill in the input name. So that'll be the one where the user is inputting the information. So as you can see here, this one's called name. Therefore, for this one, it's the same thing here. You also have to put in what type the input is. So this one's a text. The fallback, so if they don't end up inputting any information, this is what it shows. The prefix is what goes before it. So I want to say hello. And then afterwards, you can also put more text here. One thing to note is that this can also be used on the same page, so it's updated dynamically. I'll show you how this one looks in a second. So as you can see here, if you want it all on the same page, I've just moved the component to the first page. When we preview it here and I type in my name, it'll automatically come up here. So it dynamically updates as you type, which is super helpful for forms. And that's how you use dynamic value display in Framer forms.